guys, it's Mish here, and today welcome back to my channel once again. So if you like my videos and like to subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe and also click on the bell notification so that you will never miss these awesome and entertaining videos that you will never get bored of. And also if you have any suggestions, so please do comment in the comment box below. If you want to share this video to somebody you love or somebody you met before, please do share it in WhatsApp, Instagram, etc. like that, whatever social media platform you have. And also, today I will be discussing to you guys about the brain structure and functions. So as you guys know, our brain is definitely a really complex and complicated to study organ. So scientists have divided the brain into many regions and also parts. So the first part we are going to look at is the cerebrum. The cerebrum is also called the big brain, so I'm just going to write it here. So the cerebrum is divided into 4 lobes, which is these 4 lobes have different functions. So the first lobe is the frontal lobe. The frontal lobe is the main part of the lobe, often acting like a boss. Is the main commander or a boss to all the other lobes. So the second lobe we are going to look at is the temporal lobe. The temporal lobe has different sensory knobs which help us to hear sounds such as a dog barking, and also it helps us in language and reading. Next lobe is this green colored lobe right here. This is called the parietal lobe. The parietal lobe helps us to feel senses and even helps in language and attention. So when this lobe gets hit, we'll never care about anything, right guys? And also, we won't feel any senses. We won't feel any touches. So next is the occipital lobe. So as I know, the thing that I know about this lobe is that it helps us to see, recognize shapes such as a square and colors. So this is a circle in a red color, so it's like that. Next in the list is the cerebellum. The cerebellum teams up with the brainstem, which consists of the midbrain. The midbrain, the pons, and also the medulla. So these three parts of the brainstem, along with the cerebellum, to helps the breathing movements, the muscle movements, the heartbeat, and also the digestion of the food. So it's like that, so complex. So next is we are going to do the cerebellum. The cerebellum helps us to do various things such as teaming up with the brainstem and help us to coordinate with the midbrain to do muscle movements and stretching like this and this and this, like that and stuff. So next part we are going to look is the next is the corpus callosum. The corpus callosum divides the two hemispheres of the cerebrum. Yeah, two hemispheres of the brain. Divides the brain into two parts or two hemispheres. So next part we are going to tell is the thalamus. Yeah, it also produces hormones. So the thalamus is a hormone, produces hormones such as DTM, etc. like that. Just like the corpus callosum divides the brain into the cerebrum into two hemispheres, just like our planet Earth. It's just like that. The next is also a gland which produces hormones called the pituitary glands. The pituitary glands, along with the thalamus, also produces hormones. These for the better working of the human body itself. So now we explain the main parts of the brain. So these all parts work together to form the human brain. The human brain itself, which consists of the cerebrum, the cerebellum, the corpus callosum, the thalamus, the pituitary glands, the medulla, the pons, the midbrain form the brainstem, and finally the pituitary glands. These all parts work together, form the brain, which has different lobes. Okay, so yeah, this is the brain, and this brain is just like a control center or a computer. And it also gives orders to different types of organs, other systems, such as the digestive system, the respiratory system, and more. So this is the respiratory system, which gives orders to the lungs. It gives orders to the lungs, to the stomach, It gives orders to the lungs, stomach, and even outer body parts. So this is how the brain works, and this is its components, and this is the orders it gives us. The organs follow these orders along with even glands. So the brain makes the secretion of glands, the working of internal organs, the movements of the muscles. So next I'm going to tell you the 5 main facts about the brain. Yes, the facts about the brain. So the first fact is that the brain is about 1.5 kilograms and is the most fattiest organ of the whole human body, consisting of 60% fat, which is about 2% of an adult human body, but it uses 20% power of each of the human body. Yes, that's true. Next fact is that the nerves which used to send and transmit messages to the brain goes about at 270 miles per hour, which is even faster than a faster street legal car, the Henchman and GT, and it's so so weird how our brain, the nerves send messages like that. Yeah, definitely. The third fact is that our brain has a third eye. Do you people believe about this? No, but it's actually a true fact. Our brain has a secret pineal cord which is shaped like a pine. It has a components of an eye which helps us to see secretly. Yes, secretly. So if you want to do some naughty things that your mother will not see, be careful because your mother can actually see it through the pineal gland, those eyes. She's still watching you, okay? So don't do any naughty things that don't think that your mother couldn't see you doing naughty things. She definitely can't see you use drugs. So the fourth fact, we cannot feel pain on our brain. So do you think that you can feel pain? Most of you do think that you can feel pain, but actually we cannot feel pain, right? Because there's no sensory nerves on the brain, right? Yeah, we cannot see any sensory nerves. Only on our skin we have sensory nerves. Only on the hair we can have sensory nerves. Only the ears and nose have sensory nerves, but not on the brain. So that's why doctors can perform surgeries on patients who are awake, and also they don't need to use anesthesia also. And the final fifth fact, meditation. So you think that meditation is just a simple exercise? Well, it's just more than an exercise, guys. It's just more than an exercise. People who meditate will change the brain's power, change the brain's direction, just like widening the road to allow more traffic. The brain will cancel the other option will reach for the meditation option. And then you'll have less anxiety, less stress, more tolerance against painful surgery, painful pimple pops, and also we'll have a sharper memory so that we will win exams quicker than anybody else. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys like, subscribe, click on the bell notifications, comment on what's your favorite part, and also share this to everybody so that they can also learn about me. And so, bye!